because I'm not just Peter Parker, I'm Spider-Man. Play something back. Everybody good? Yes,
Subscribe.
Hey, what's up, everybody? It's always an honor to come here. My first time here was in 2008. I sat way in the back, way in the back, almost 20 years ago. We've been here many times since. But today is extra special. I want to invite out some of our.
Is this really happening? Okay.
Speaking of those extreme characters, what was that process like for you to embody this character? What kind of preparation did you do to go into this role?
I think this is a character which is so popular. I mean, imagine after thousands of years, they still burn your emoji every year. So you know it, like I've been, my grandfather used to tell me these stories. As a kid, I think probably this is the first story I've heard. And all those imaginations are like, okay, this is the bad guy. Also, so as we go deep, as we really understand the story, the greatest villains or greatest characters which will remain in your memory are the ones who have really a good cause in their head, whether it's good or bad, or they believe that they are right. Yep. I think that's the most dangerous kind of people, who are very smart, very intelligent, well-read, talented, and then they believe in something which may not be right in a larger sense.
What is happening to me? Did you miss me, Spidey? I'm losing my mind. I am totally out of control. What the?
Dr. Banner, you found a way to suppress mutating DNA, right?
If you see me with this stuff, run.
Keep the gun.
How would you decide what parts of nature are good or bad?
With a threat we can't control. One we can't even see.
Wait for Loki. On this day,
I know what kind of God I need.
gang,